This is Joy and Everything Diamond Painting. I'm bringing some Happy Mail to open tonight, and this comes from Nick's Notions. Let you see. Well, I don't have addresses or anything covered up, so I'm not going to bring it up there. Turned upside down. Anyway, I ordered some trays from her. You know how I like to try everybody's product. So I've been talking to her and watching her videos and looking at the trays that she's made. And I'm going to try them out. I'm going to see how good they are. They look good when I'm watching her on video. So let's open this first one up and see what's inside. Well, it's packaged really nice. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? All right, let's get this open. Here we go. Hi, Nix. How you doing? All right. There we go. Oh, she got a little pretty bag in there. Oh, let's get this open. Let's get it open. Let's see what she's stuck in here. All righty. There's the, oh, there's her thank you sticker for her small business. See that? I don't know if it's coming in real clear or not. Ah! Nope, not clear. It's not clear, but anyway, that's okay. It was working just a minute ago. I don't know why it's not now. So, what are you doing? What are you doing, baby?
I'm gonna hand you a razor.
Oh, well, I'm just gonna open this. I'm just gonna open it. Because I got my, what do you call it, right hand man here, left hand man. Working my cameras for me. And I'm trying to get this even in the camera. Okay, here is the beautiful part of the tray. All right, and we got some tape on here. Oh, I should have brought some drills over here so I can test it. And my fabric softener so I can rub it down. She always says to use fabric softener to rub in the inside of it. I don't have that with me right now. Run and get me some fabric softener out of the bathroom. Thank you, baby. Okay, so here we go. There's this beautiful tray. Whoop! Beautiful tray and the cover. And it's got Nick's Notions on the side. How about this one? No? Okay. A little pretty. Here's the cover, the stopper. And let's, okay. There we go. Got the stopper out. All right. So I'm going to put this back in because I'm just going to try it. Okay. So we're going to put that back in there. There it goes. It's in there. All right. He's coming back with some dryer sheets. Honey, where are you? Honey, oh, well, this is a faux pas. I just sent him into the bathroom for a dryer sheet so I can I can dry this. Did you end up going potty too? No, not that. The dryer sheets.
You said fabric softener.
No, well, dryer sheets. Oh, honey. Okay. Well, let's open this up to see what this is. I think we're just going to have to do one of those behind the scenes videos of this. All right, let's see this one. Thank you. It comes back with OxyClean. Oh, honey. I was wondering what was taking you so long. I thought you decided to go take a leak.
I thought you had crystal fabric softener.
Okay. Oh, my pretty green one. Yes, my pretty green one. All right, let's get this open. I see. I don't know where this... Okay, again, we have a different setup here today. And we're trying all kinds of different camera things, and you know, so I can show my face and do all this stuff. And so now my other camera is not in the right place. Okay, we can rub it down. Oh, and I still got this little baggie to go through. Okay, I'm going to go through this baggie in just a second. And there's some stuff. I was just so excited to see the trays. I didn't want to stop to look at anything else. All right, so here we go. Rub it down, rub it down. There. All right. Okay, so the stopper's in there. The stopper's in here. Okay, now I see how you just lift it up and you set it down in there. Okay, so let's pour some drills in and see what it's going to do, how the drills are in here. Okay, let's see. Let's see how they shake. Shake, rattle, and roll. Shake, rattle, and roll. Ooh, look at that. Oh, they line up really good. Looky, looky. Look at that. Ooh, look how sparkly those drills are. Yeah. All right. Ooh, I like that. Yep, that's really nice. Okay, let's try the other one. I've been looking at these trays for a while, and I finally decided to pour. Yeah, look at that. It's pouring right out. Oh, got a straggler there. Get him out. Oh, that looks like a trash drill anyway. Okay, so let's put the cover back in here. All right, so I don't lose that. All right, let's see how this one shakes. Ooh, look at that. Oh, look how nice that is. Look how nice that is. Look. Good, huh? And yes, the drills show up really good in this one, Nix. Really good. Green, neon green was a great choice. And they show up in the gold, too. Okay, so these are my Nix trays. And I love the stopper. Love the stopper. They're very sturdy, very sturdy. It's thick. And like she said, you could run a tire over this and it will not crack. Same thing with this one. You can run a, look how thick the sides are. Look at that. I like that. How thick. Yes. Are you eating some candy? Yeah, he's eating candy back there. I can hear his wrapper. Okay. So let's see what's in. Okay, we got some more stuff. Boy, I'm just really kind of crazy tonight. Let's see what this stuff is. And I got some tape stuck to me over here. Free gift, non-stick double-sided release sheets. Oh, I can always use release sheets. Oh, look at the pretty sticker. Look at that pretty sticker. Whoop. There. Thank you for supporting my small business. How about that? Very pretty. And we got some two release sheets. See? Two release sheets. Now, see, it's blurry. There we go. Focus is back. Yeah, I'm getting used to a new angle of my camera. All right. And it's, thank you, Joy, for your order. Nix Dark Sky. And she does a happy face just like I do, except I put a little bit of hair on her top of mine. There's all her information. All her Instagram, her YouTube, her Facebook. I'll have all her links down in the description box. I have the short wide diamond training drill with plug and an upgraded long wide diamond painting drill tray with plug. And neon green, and this is one of her new colors, golden mask. See that? Okay. And it all cost me the short wide one was $7.99 and the long diamond upgraded painting drill tray was $9.99. So altogether with tax and license it's $24.18. So that's a pretty good price, I think. Yeah, it's reasonable. Okay, let's see what's in her goodie bag here. We still got one more bag to open. I'm going to see what's in her goodie bag. All right, let's open this up. I don't know, should we do, what is it I'm trying to say when you show behind the scenes of the Goof Ups?
Bloopers?
The bloopers! Yeah, we should show bloopers when he went to go get my dryer sheets. Okay, I've got Haribo Gold Bears, little gummy bears there. Okay. And I have a thank you here with all her information, where she's on every platform. I wanted to send you a little note to say thank you for your purchases at Nick's Notions. Please know you are a valued customer, and we are so grateful and appreciative for your business. Your satisfaction is what's most important. All Nick's Notion items are 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Please contact me if there's any problems. And there's all her information there of all the media things she's on. She's on Follow Me on YouTube, on Instagram, Facebook, Nick's Dark Sky. Follow her on TikTok. Follow her on Twitter. Wow, she's on everything you could think of. Okay, look at this pretty bag. I forgot to show you the pretty bag. Isn't that nice? And let's see, we got some washi tape. Look at that pretty washi tape. Thank you, Nix. Real pretty washi tape. We've got some stickers, a snowflake. Looks like a snowflake, right? And what else we got? What is this? Looks like a Santa Claus or something. I don't. What is that? I don't know. He's pointing up. And is that a bull, a cow, a donkey,
Bull.
a bull? That's a bull. Husband's back there helping me out. And we got some candy, some lifesavers. Pretty cool, huh? Yummy. And he's going to take the lifesavers. He's got them. And here's her card. It's got her, there we go. Now, is it going to focus? Is it going to focus? Yeah, there it goes. There's all her information. And again, I'll have her information in the description box, but there you can see it. All right. All right. So let's see what's in the other bag here. Got two bags. All right, I'm going to cut this one open. I got all kinds of mess over here right now. All kinds of mess. All right, let's get this one open. So how is everybody doing tonight, huh? This is kind of a new way we're going to try to start doing this, so you can at least see my face, because I don't sound like I'm smiling on the camera when you don't see me, but I am. So I'm trying to present myself better so you can see the expressions in my eyes and see my happy smile. Yeah, I'm trying to do better. All right, this is what, oh, I know, this is what she calls the beast. Yes, she told me she was gonna send this to me. All right, let's see what this looks like. Okay, now this one is the one that everybody's having problems opening. So we have to take this and push our thumb in it. Now I have nails, and she said nails would work. There's even a little arrow there that says pull it there. So there we go. I got it, Nix. Look. I got it on the first time. Okay, I'm so excited. We just watched a video of someone trying to open it. Yes, that was funny. And then the top slides out. There's little ridges in here. The top's little ridges. I don't know if you can see that. That's where the top slides in and out. And then it goes right back in. Well, let me take out this. Look at a turkey cover minder for my Thanksgiving painting. Oh, this is so cool. Let me open it up. I know, I'm trying not to get this high voice when I'm excited, but that's what happens when I'm excited. I get this really high voice. All right, there we go. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. Look at that turkey. And I'm doing the turkey painting right now, which probably won't get done for Thanksgiving, but I'm going to put that on there. And on my Whip and Chat Wednesdays, I'll have this on my painting that you can see it. Isn't that darling? Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so shall we try some drills on here and see how these work? All right, let me take this out and we'll pour these. Okay, now we got to put the cover back in. So let me put the cover back in and we push it in this way, like so. I'm kind of nervous. Let's see. I got an easy way time to get it out. Now I can't get it back in. Got to kind of squish it. There we go. There we go. And it clicks right in there. Whoops. Or do I have it upside down? I have it upside down. Oh, I'm going to make a chaos out of this too. Duh. All right. So it goes in like this. All right. I'm going to have to lay it down here on the table. Okay. There we go. And it clicks in there. There we go. I got it. It just take a little bit of practice. A little bit of practice. I got it. And let me pour the rest of these drills in here to see how it lines up. They line up beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I didn't put the softener in there, but I'm sure it's still going to work. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. There we go. Well, look at that. That's nice, see? And I suppose if I had it fuller, it would line up better. I know that. But this is pretty good. I can do a lot of multi-placing in this tray. I love it. I love it. I got drills all over the place here. Let me put them back in here. All right. So that is my NYX Notions new trays. Getting used to doing that. So I have to put the cover back in here. Let's get this back in here. And like I said, she makes these so that nothing will break them. Nothing. And congratulations, Nick. You did a good job. Let's see if I get this back in. That's the tricky part. Getting us back in. All right. Here we go. I can get it out really easy. I just can't get it back in. There we go. There we go. All right. Get down there. There. Got it. Got it. Ta-da. And yes, the drills will stay in there. It's not going to open. It's not going to come off. Sturdy sides. This is called her Beast, everybody. And I will have links to everything. I'll have links to her website, her NYX Notions, where you can buy this. Nice trays. I'm happy with everything. Happy, happy. Happy, happy with everything. Just love it all. So here, let me line them up here. Yes, they don't even bend. Look at that. They don't even bend. They're stiff on. Look, there. The sides don't creak. Yes, very nice. Very nice. Okay, that's it for this one. And which my husband's back there drinking coffee. I'm sorry, I get wiped with my nose. I laugh it runs. Anyway, we're going to end this. And I hope you all have a good evening. And don't forget, subscribe, hit the bell, get more videos, get notifications, hit the like button, hit the not like button, hit either button, just do it. And welcome and goodbye. And if you are new to my station, my channel, this is me. So I'm going to have to learn how to say goodbye. I'm going to have to learn how to say goodbye.
Hang up.
All right. Hang up. Bye.